In a world of digital noise, the most powerful tool is still the simplest.
It begins with tungsten carbide, a material nearly as hard as diamond.
Extreme pressure transforms dust into solid spheres, just 1 millimeter wide. The smoothing process. These spheres roll for 5 days in a specialized abrasive.
We use diamond paste to achieve a surface finish that is mathematically perfect.
FeO tolerance is measured in microns. Even a microscopic flaw will cause the ink to skip. The precision sphere. Perfectly round, incredibly durable, and ready to write. Meanwhile, the tip is carved from solid brass for weight and corrosion resistance. The socket must be carved with surgical precision to hold the sphere without friction. Cooling prevents thermal expansion, ensuring the socket dimensions remain stable.
5 ink channels. These are the veins that allow ink to flow around the ball. The marriage of materials. The ball is seated into its precision-carved home.
Rim pressing. The brass is folded just enough to secure the ball while letting it spin. Every ball must rotate thousands of times per minute without jamming. The ink. A proprietary blend of dyes and polymers with high viscosity. This ink must remain liquid inside the pen, yet dry instantly upon touching paper. The ink reservoir. Extruded from pure plastic to withstand internal pressure. Uniform length ensures the perfect balance in the user's hand. Bottom-up filling. This technique prevents air bubbles from being trapped in the ink. The follower gel. It acts as a moving piston, preventing ink from leaking or drying out.
The union. Friction fit assembly ensures a leak-proof seal without adhesives.
G-force. Centrifuging forces the ink down to the ball, eliminating any microscopic gaps. Gravity and surface tension working in perfect harmony. The endurance test. Every batch must write for a minimum of 500 meters. Consistent flow. The line must remain vivid from the first word to the last. The outer shell. Engineered for ergonomic comfort and structural strength. The click mechanism. A simple spring that must survive 10,000 cycles. Mechanical logic. The cam converts a push into a locked position. Functionality. The clip is designed to grip fabric without losing its tension. Branding. The mark of quality is etched into every unit. Fully automated. We produce 2,000 units per hour with 0 human error. Acoustic verification. A sharp, crisp click is the signature of precision. Stress testing. The tip must not collapse under heavy writing pressure. Precise inventory. Every pen is accounted for by the system. Tropical testing. The ink must not leak, even in extreme heat. Durability. The ABS shell protects the delicate internal mechanism.
From shopping lists to peace treaties, the pen is the vehicle of history.
Zero waste. Every gram of scrap is fed back into the production cycle. Safety by design. A small hole that has saved thousands of lives from choking. Surface topography analysis. Smoothness is measured at the atomic level.
A rolling action that translates liquid thought into permanent record. Global logistics. Supplying the world's need for communication. Nature's raw strength, refined by human engineering.
Chemistry and art, blended in a vacuum to prevent oxidation. Corrosion resistance and a premium metallic luster. Ensuring the pen doesn't attract dust in your pocket.
Testing the limits of elasticity. Rapid evaporation chemistry at work.
Visual perfection in every batch. "24/7 innovation. The factory that never sleeps."
The most critical millisecond in the manufacturing process.
Precision fluid dynamics on a microscopic scale.
Protecting the environment while we create. The bridge between imagination and reality. A lattice of strength that outlasts the ink. High-speed internal logistics for maximum efficiency. Anti-gravity technology in the palm of your hand. Sealed for freshness until the moment you write.
Machine vision detecting flaws invisible to the eye.
The universal accessory for every professional. Accountability in every single unit.
Streamlined from the core to the customer. Ergonomics designed for hours of fatigue-free writing.
Safe for skin, safe for everyone. The silent partner in academic success.
Luster that lasts for years. Climate-controlled excellence. Tactile feedback that signals readiness. Engineered to perform on any surface.
Human oversight on a robotic scale.
Removing microscopic oil for perfect ink adhesion. Inspecting for imperfections in the tungsten matrix. We only ship the top 1%. When industrial realism meets luxury design, giving old plastic a new purpose. From sea level to 30,000 feet, the ink remains stable.
Accuracy you can count on.
Balancing physics and chemistry at the point of contact.
Flexibility that never breaks. Automated maintenance for continuous precision.
High conductivity metals for a height-quality feel. A smooth finish for a smooth experience.
Reliability when it matters most. Protecting the integrity of the Apex brand. Sustainable manufacturing for a better future.
Smooth mechanical transitions. Measured in nanometers for a skip-free flow.
The global language of the ballpoint pen. A lifetime of service in a single tool.
Designed for longevity and environmental sustainability.
Consistency that the world recognizes.
Engineering that puts human safety first.
Ensuring the ball grabs the ink and the paper.
The passion behind the precision. An icon of the modern workplace. Thermal stability for a clean result. Exporting excellence to the world. The ballpoint pen, the intersection of science and soul.
Apex process. Precision in every drop.